stand up, so I need the help from the clay dough. Stand up, Forky. That's it. Great. Now let's put the Forky's wiggle eyes. But these eyes are different size. With this glue, let's put the wiggle eyes on Forky. One is big eye. One is big. And one is small. It's really weird, right? Next, we need to make the Forky's eyebrows with this red Play-Doh. I want to make the Forky's happy face, not the angry, sad, funny face. This happy face. Also, Forky has the big blue mouth. We need a blue Play-Doh with Forky's mouth. I also want to make the Forky's big, beautiful, happy mouth. Not the angry, not the sad, not the silly mouth. Come here, Forky. This is so cute. Look at this. Forky is smiling. He must be happy. Aren't you, Forky? I'm happy. And we need to make the Forky's arms with the red pipe cleaner. Twist on Forky's body like this. Ooh, super cute, isn't it? And I also want to make the Forky's 3 fingers. 1. Ooh, it will be short. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's so cute. Also, 1, 2. No. One more. This is so cute. Now, we want to make Forky stand up like this. Wow, Forky can stand up by itself. This is so cute. Hello, guys. Oh, but what about my feet? Oh my, don't forget to make the Forky's feet with the the popsicle stick. Cut the popsicle stick like this way and place like this. Ta-da! These are Forky's feet. Forky definitely can stand up so well. Don't forget to write your name. How? We need to write our name on Forky's feet. My name is Gina, so I want to write down my name on his foot. Gina. Yay! This is so cool! Ta-da! I am so lonely. Would you please make my friend? Of course, Forky. That's why I bring another spoon. I will make the spoonie for you. Hooray, hooray, hooray! Now, let's make the spoonie like Forky. First, we need to stick the spoonie on the clay and put the spoonie's eyes. Oops! What happened, Spoonie? Small eye on here too, like Forky. This is so cute. What about her eyebrows? Oh, what about this way? Now I'm gonna put her eyebrows with the blue clay. Ta-da! Like the Forky, right? Like this, upside down. But we're upside down, it seems like Forky. This is so cute. And her mouth with this big, beautiful red Play-Doh. Also want to make the happy mouth, like Forky. Can you make the happy face, happy face, happy face? You are so cute! This is so cute, isn't she? And how about the arms? What about the green, bright green color? For your arms. Oops! Please. Oh, that's cool. Also want to make the 3 fingers. What about V? Wow, the V hands. V. Everyone, Spoonie's hands like alphabet V. V. Alphabet. Alphabet V. And I want to make her hair. This way. She has the twin tail. How about this? The pink pom-pom for your hairband. Oh, this is so cute. What about blue? Also can stand up by herself. Also, Spoonie needs the feet. 1, 2. To write down my name on here. Gina. Gina, thank you. Dad, I'm bored. I want to play with Forky. Ta-da! Who are you guys? I am trash. No, you're not trash. You are Forky the toy. Who are you? I am trash. No way. You are Spoonie the toy. Hey everyone. You are toys. Toys? Toys? Yay, yay, yay. Now let's play together, guys. Why don't we play the hide and seek? Hide and seek? Hooray, hooray, hooray. I want to hide and you will seek. Okay, I will hide. Do-do-do-do-do. Let me count down 10 to 1. Just hide. Of course, find me. I am Forky the Trash. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do-do-do-do-do. Forky, Forky. step 3, book number 19, Hamster Hunt. Forky, Forky, where are you? Forky, Forky, where are you? I looked in the living room on the sofa. No, Forky's not here. I looked in the bedroom. In the bed? No, Forky's not here. I looked in the bedroom. Behind the toilet? No, Forky's not here. I looked in the kitchen. In the refrigerator? No, he's not in the refrigerator. Where is Forky? Where? Forky, Forky, where are you? Kids, do you know where did it go? Where did it go? Kids, I'm in the waste basket. I'm in the waste basket dustbin. Shh. Where Forky is hiding? Shh. Kids, was it fun? Gina was excited too. If you guys want